Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. It's time for our Monday Walgreens haul for this week. There's some great deals in store, and I'm going to be using this booster for spend $20, get $5 Walgreens cash. So I'll go over everything you need to know about using boosters inside and some amazing freebies and big moneymaker deals. So if you want to see how you can save at Walgreens this week, definitely keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I post new deals, videos, giveaways, you'll be notified and you can participate as well. I did announce the 5 winners of the giveaway I did last week in my CVS haul video. I'm still waiting to hear from 2 of the winners. So if you haven't checked out that video yet, it will be linked below in the description box. When you're done with this video, definitely check it out because you might be one of those last 2 winners. I am also doing a huge giveaway tomorrow in my live Fluz Party video. So we are going to be talking about Fluz, ways to save, how you can stack Fluz with other websites. I'm going to be giving away some of my vouchers to you guys. I'm also giving away a $50 gift card during the live. And if you become a new member of Fluz and you purchase a gift card during the event, then you'll be entered in to win 2 different $100 gift cards, which is insane. And I'm so excited about that. So stay tuned. It will be Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it'll be live on YouTube. If you have any questions or anything about that, of course, drop a comment. And I will be reminding you guys on my Instagram as well. If you don't follow me yet, Bree Coupon Queen. So with all of that out of the way, there is a printable breakdown for you below in the description box. And let's go inside and start taking advantage of some great deals at Walgreens. Okay, so here's an easy freebie that anyone can do using a digital coupon. I'm gonna grab 2 of these Colgate Optic White. They're on sale this week for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you'll get $4 Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. That'll bring me to $7.98. Use this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I'm gonna pay $3.98, get back $4 Walgreens cash rewards, making them both completely free. Now we're gonna grab some free poise. So you can grab any 2 of the poise that are marked. They are 2 for $9. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So I'm gonna grab 2 of them. We do have $2 off 1 coupons from our 228 Smart Source. So you're gonna use 2 of those. If you don't have the inserts, you can use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. If you use the insert coupons, you'll pay $5, get back a $5 register reward, making these as well completely free. If you just use the 3 off of 2 digital, your final cost is $1 for 2, still an amazing deal. So let's add this to our cart. Then I'm gonna grab some complete home bags. So they're on sale this week. Buy 1, get 2 free. Most of them are $2.79. Some of them are now $2.99, which I think they just increased the pricing on that because before they were all the same price. But you can mix and match. So hopefully they have the larger ones available that I need, which I'm not finding. Nope. Oh, yes, right here. Score. I need these bigger ones. I'm running out. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. If they're $2.99, then your final cost is gonna be 99 cents each. I use these all the time. I think they're really good quality. They don't really rip. The, not zipper, but whatever you call that is pretty good quality. So let's add this to the cart. This is also gonna help me use register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Now remember, when you're using a register reward, it has to attach to an item that does not have a coupon with it. So I'm gonna grab these and let's keep going. Here's a great deal on paper products. So what you can do is grab some of the Charmin 4 = 16 rolls. They're not tagged in my store, but they're on sale for $4.95 like you see in the weekly ad. When you buy 4, you'll get a $6 register reward. So what you can do is grab 2 of these. There is a 25-cent digital coupon that you can use on one of them. There are 25-cent paper coupons, I believe, as well. I'll have it linked in the printable breakdown where they come from. So then you can grab Bounty as well. Let's go look at those. Then you can grab 2 of these, the 6 = 8 count. Regular price, they're $7.99. They're on sale and included for $4.95 each. So you can grab 2 of the Charmin, 2 of the Bounty. That'll bring you to 1978 or something like that. Then you can use a 25-cent digital on this, the 25-cent digital on the other one. You'll wind up paying $19.46 out of pocket, getting back a $6 register reward, making it $13.46 for all 4 of them, or $3.36 each. Not a bad deal. If you want to include this as your spend booster deal, you can. Then all you need to do is add one more item to get you over the $20 mark to be able to use that booster. Here is the huge moneymaker deal. Now, the cheapest way to do it would be if they had this variety available, and unfortunately they don't. These smooth colors are very expensive. So I mix and match. These are the last 2 cheapest ones available. They're $7.79 and $7.29. So it's gonna eat into my moneymaker a little bit, but that's okay. So we're gonna grab 2 of them. They're buy one, get one half off. So this one would be full price and this one would be half off because it's the lesser value product. Then we had $4 printable coupons that were available on coupons.com last week. Hopefully you printed them so you can use these. Or there is a $3 coupon from the 3-7 Smart Source that you could use as well. So you wanna use 2 coupons. I'm gonna use 2 of the $4 ones. That'll take off $8. I'm gonna be left to pay $3.43 out of pocket. Then for buying 2 of them, I'm gonna get $2 Walgreens cash rewards. And we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $6 back on 2. And this expires in 1 day. So definitely run and do this deal today so it doesn't expire. That'll make my final cost for 2 things of razors completely free and a $4.56 moneymaker, which is absolutely amazing. Here's a great deal on Bic stationery products if you want to start stocking up on school supplies. It's a little cheaper online. I'm actually going to be doing a Walgreens online haul this week, so stay tuned for that. I'll try to have that posted by Wednesday because online prices are cheaper than in store and they don't price match anymore from all the stores that I go to. If they price match at your store, drop a comment below, let me know. So they are buy one, get one half off, and their $2.99 is the cheapest one included. You can get this bold color one as well. I like these pens a lot. I use them all the time at the house. So one of them would be $2.99, one of them would be $1.49. We have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. That'll make your final cost $1.49 for both of them, which is not a bad deal, about 75 cents for a pack of pens. Okay, another deal I wanted to check, bummer they're not included, is the Purex Crystals. Typically they're included and we have $1 off 1 coupon, so that would have been amazing. But what you still can do, still an amazing deal, is grab Purex. They are 3 for $6. Regular price, they're $7.49. So that's amazing. You can grab 3 of them for less than the regular cost of 1. And the Purex packs are also included. So this can be another great item to add if you're wanting to use register rewards because there's no coupons or anything that will attach to these. So a great filler item and some cheap laundry products. So if you're a beginner, let's go over some transactions you can do if you have no Walgreens cash, no register rewards, nothing, and you are just starting out. So this is what you can do. Come in, grab 2 of the Colgate, use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.98 plus taxes out of pocket, get back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. And you're gonna use that Walgreens cash rewards in the second transaction. So let's go over that example. Then you're gonna grab this for your second transaction. Total is $20.46. Now this is not an example using a digital booster. This is just an example of a transaction you could do. Then you have a $4 coupon, $2 coupon, $2 coupon, and a $4 coupon. You'll be left to pay $8.46 plus taxes out of pocket. But remember, we got $4 in Walgreens cash rewards from doing this transaction. So we're gonna roll that into this transaction. You just ask the cashier, hey, I'd like to use some points. They'll say, okay, you type in the amount of points that you wanna use. Increments are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, and 50. So you're able to use all 4. You'll type in the zip code associated with your account. Then you'll be left to pay $4.46 plus taxes out of pocket. Then you're gonna get back $2 Walgreens cash, $5 register reward, submit to Ibotta for $6 back, making your cost, as far as cash is concerned, you're paying $4.46 plus tax, getting back $6 cash from Ibotta. So this would be free, and it would still be a little bit of a moneymaker because you're getting back also $2 Walgreens cash and $5 register reward. So this is an amazing beginner-friendly deal that you can do. If you're new to Ibotta, highly recommend signing up. It's super easy to use. My code is QMEHSBF. When you sign up and do your first rebate, you'll be getting welcome bonus as well, and you'll join my team so we can help each other get more monthly bonuses. If you want a tutorial on how to use Ibotta, there is a video linked below in the description box. So now let me show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is the transaction that I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm using this booster for spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash rewards. So let's go over a little bit about using digital boosters. Number one, you have to hit the $20 on the nose of product value. If you're at $19.99, it will not work. Number two, there is a way of using Walgreens cash. This is how you do it. So if you're a little bit more of a beginner, then ignore what I'm about to say. If you're more advanced, this is how you can do it. To meet that $20 mark has to be met by using coupons, register rewards, and out of pocket. So cash, credit, and debit. So what you could do, if you have $20 worth of coupons on your transaction, that'll meet that $20 spend amount limit, and you can use Walgreens cash rewards to cover the rest of your cost. So this is what I'm gonna do. Total for all these products, I'm not buying the 2 off cans, I'm just obviously using those to prop up my razor so you can see them. Total for all of this is $29.95. Total for the coupons is gonna be $16. I have 2 $2 coupons, a $4 off 2 digital, and 2 $4 coupons. Then I'm going to be using register rewards. So what you could do, I have register rewards that are expiring today, so I have to use them today. So if you want to use one $4 register reward, that brings you to $20 in coupon value. Add a candy or something for 88 cents. That way, you have $20 in coupons. Your remaining out-of-pocket cost is going to be $10 or more. So you could roll $10 in Walgreens cash rewards, still get your $5 cash rewards back, and your out-of-pocket would be less than $1. What I'm gonna do is grab an additional piece of candy instead of using these additional 2 register rewards, because I'm gonna use this for the Bounty and Charmin deal, because I just think that's an amazing deal, and I need to stock up on toilet paper. So let's go over our final cost. I'll be left to pay a little over $10, including taxes. Now, you can use Walgreens cash rewards towards your taxes. So taxes in every region, of course, varies. So I'm gonna roll $10 in Walgreens cash rewards, pay probably $1 or something out of pocket. Then we're gonna get back $5 register reward for this. We're gonna get back $4 Walgreens cash for the Colgate, $6 from Ibotta for the BIC, and we're gonna get $2 Walgreens cash from this. Then we're also gonna get $5 Walgreens cash from the digital booster, which is gonna make this entire transaction completely free and an $8 moneymaker, which is amazing. Guys, I'm so excited. It went so perfectly. Literally nothing to report as an issue. How crazy is that? If you guys follow me on my Instagram, I've been posting on my story. I've had such a string of bad luck, but I'm happy to report it's over. To add to that, I do have a flat tire right now that I need to go get fixed later. But once that gets fixed, we are back on the rise, which is awesome. So I even was planning on doing one transaction today, but then everything was going great and it was so great. And then I did a second transaction. And then I forgot to give him the register reward that was expiring today. So I went back and did a third transaction. Anyway, let me share everything with you guys. First transaction, I did the BIC razor deal. I did the nice storage bags. They all actually rang in for $2.79, even though these two were $2.99 on the shelf. So that's a nice surprise. Then I did the Colgate and the Poise. All of the coupons I gave came off. $4 digital came off. I used one register reward. Total was $11.20 plus taxes. Rolled $10 in Walgreens cash. Paid $3.39 out of pocket. Got back a $5 register reward. shows how much I earned. I redeemed this visit $10. I earned this visit $12.21. So I have even more than when I went originally, which is awesome. And submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $6.10 back. Don't forget, make sure you're activating the any item rebate and the giveaway rebate because those do track towards bonuses. So I got 3 rebates today towards bonuses, which is awesome. And that makes this a moneymaker as far as cash is concerned. Because I paid $3.39 and I got back $6.10. So it's like what? I can't do that in my head. $2.60 moneymaker, something like that. Anyway, amazing. Then I did the Bounty and Charmin deal. And I think the only reason why they had everything in stock is because it wasn't tagged, which was super lucky because I wanted to do the deal, but I was just assuming that they weren't going to have it in stock because it's such a good deal. Anyway, it was. So I did the 2 Bounty, 2 Charmin. These digitals came off. I rolled a $4 register reward that was expiring today and the $5 register reward from the Poise deal. Did that one. Rolled another $10 in points, paid $1.69 out of pocket for 4 products, 4 paper products. That is so exciting. And I can resell some of these, but the toilet paper I'm gonna use because we're like almost out of toilet paper. Anyway, so yeah, that was amazing. And then I got back a $6 register reward from this one. Then I just went back because I had another $4 register reward that was expiring today. So I had to use it or I was gonna lose it. Why would I let $4, like literally like $4 cash, like disappear? No. So I went back and I just got the 3 Purex packs for $6, used the $4 register reward, paid $2.42 out of pocket. I should have rolled $2 in Walgreens cash. I don't know why I didn't. I was just like so excited. Everything was going well. And I was just like, I'll pay for it, whatever. But I should have rolled $2 Walgreens cash. Anyway, so total out of pocket cost today is about, I paid $7.10 out of pocket, got back $6.10 from Ibotta. So final cost today was like $1, literally like $1 cash is what came out of my pocket for everything we got today, which is so incredibly amazing. And that is why I love couponing because it just gets me so excited and really makes my day when everything goes well. So excited about that. Hopefully those beginner-friendly transactions that I showed you in the video are helpful. If you want me to keep sharing those, just drop a comment below. Let me know if that really helps you kind of understand couponing at Walgreens. I still have to do a video on how to coupon at Walgreens and like a couponing 101. I haven't done that yet for some reason, but my goal is to do that this week and post it Thursday. So hopefully I can get that done. I'm gonna try to videotape that Wednesday. Don't forget, tomorrow, Tuesday, 3 p.m. Eastern time, huge giveaway for my live. I'm so excited. I hope you guys can join me. I love doing the lives and be able to interact with you guys and answer questions on the fly. Of course, I always try to respond to all of your comments when you have questions as well. So continue doing that. I love it. If you enjoyed this video and all of the amazing deals, definitely smash that like button for me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.